Hi everyone! Today I want to show you a super simple and delicious scallion chicken. If you have no idea what to make for dinner, try this one. Start with chicken thigh. Season it with black pepper and sea salt. Let it sit for about 20 minutes so it slowly absorbs all the flavor. Give it a light pounding on both sides. This helps the meat relax and take in the seasoning better. Now cut about 3 slices of ginger and some scallions cut into segments. The green part can be saved for garnish. You can add it or skip it, up to you. Now make a simple sauce. 2 spoons soy sauce, 1 spoon oyster sauce, half a spoon of sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 spoon starch. Then add about 200 milliliters of water and mix well. Heat a little oil in the pan. Add the chicken and pan fry until both sides turn golden. About 2 minutes per side. At this point, add some ginger slices and scallion segments. Let that aroma come out. Then pour in the sauce, turn the heat to low, and let it gently simmer for about 5 minutes. Once it's done, you can slice it if you like. Plate it up and sprinkle some chopped scallions on top. Look at that sauce, glossy and coating the chicken. This is the kind of dish that goes perfectly with a bowl of rice. Take a bite, tender, savory, with a light, sweet scallion flavor. Simple, but really satisfying. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. Let's make delicious food simple.